electroninjastar guys. And today, guys, we're going to play Dragon Devoulution. Now, see, hold on a second. I want to try something. See this mic? I'm gonna blow into it. Watch this. Okay. We're done. Anyway, let's reveal the story. Let's now see. We're doing the same thing. We're gonna be doing 5. We're gonna be doing 5 from here and 4 in the story mode. Okay, so this stupid sucker. He wants me to die. But watch this. I'm gonna knock him out. Dang it, Quee overpowered me for some reason. This should finish him off. Finish him off. Come on, Quee. What the freak, Vegeta? What the freak? He didn't even have this much trouble. Finally, you want to freaking work? No, what the freak? What the freak? This is energy just charge on its own. There we go, finally. Okay, that was 1. This is the battle against Dodoria. Galagon fire! Come on. Dang it, that should have finished him off. What the? Okay, this should finish him off. Okay, now that was 2. Now apparently he defeats him by doing this. Dang, completely dodged that. Every time it's... Well, you know what they say about 7s? Saiyans, we get stronger every time we nearly die. Oh, but I said 7s. What the freak? Yes, finally. It's probably because I'm like not calming myself down. It's probably because like there we go. Oh no, he dodged. He blocked. Dang it. Bart, do you remember the Team 4-star version of this fight? I'ma rape ya. Okay, this is where they were near Krillin. Oh, should I keep forgetting to like read the story. I want to read the story though. Bam. There we go. Oh God, kill the fire. There we go, and okay. I think that was... Hold on a second. Okay, this one is the fourth. This one is the fourth one. Okay, Vegeta killed Zarbon and then met Krillin and Gohan. They quickly decided to form an alliance against Frieza's main bodyguards. They have just landed on Namek and caught up with them. The Ginyu Force. The first one ready to fight is a short green alien named Goldo. I do not like Goldo. So watch this. He freaking just freeze his time at will. Okay, watch this. There we go. See, that was easy. Alright, this one is the last one. Okay, the power of Goldo's ability to stop time was no match for Vegeta, who decapitated, which means cut off head, for you retarded people. Let's see, from behind while he was fighting against Gohan and Krillin. From the 3 Ginyu Force members left, the large and powerful Raccoon steps onto stage. Oh shoot, my controls. There we go. He's but cool, man. Team 4 started a good job of doing this. I'm doing this. I have like this significant power up. I think it was called Potential Unleashed. Bam. Okay, let's do that one more time. Bam. This man is on something. Congratulations. You're still. I'm trying to like knock him out. There we go. Nope. You're too slow. Alright, sorry, but I'll continue this later. Alright, now let's do 4 side stories. So 1, 2, 3. So 1. No, without counting this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 11th one is going to be the follow. Man, that one was easy. I bet I one-shot him. I'm gonna finish him off with the Spirit Bomb since he did it in the movie. Try blasting this. Okay, one more. Let me do my most powerful one. This should finish him off. Yes! Whoosh! Alright, now, number 8. Let's see. I can spawn babies! That's a reference to the Team 4 Star. There's a lot of Team 4 Star references in here. Boy, you can get the following is a fan base parody you have an ass. What the freak? Oh goodness, that hurts my hand. Alright. Destructo Disc! Okay, that finished them off. Some people say that Destructo Disc is Spirit Bomb for reasons like yeah. Hold on, sorry. I just heard a noise. Come on. Dang it, look at my hand, bro. Look at my hand. Dang it. I know why he did that, because he knew. Dang it. No! Go, unreasonably buff bird. Then I just remembered the special beam cannon can literally go through attacks. Like, look. Boy, what you thought it was. Okay, I thought that would kill him. To be honest, I thought that would kill him. I'm sorry, I got so tricky, and bam, he's dead. I like how it like. God dang it! I wasn't even paying attention. Alright, I will not lose. I will not lose to this. How many more enemies? Dang it, just that one right there. Come on, this guy was a little stronger than this guy in the movie. Come on, no. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Okay, this time I won't waste it. This time I won't waste my time. Excuse me, guys. Let me do this off screen for a bit. Sorry, guys. Anyway, I'm done with it. I just needed to do that without embarrassment. Just need to do that with a little bit off screen. Alright, anyway. So apparently, this is called false Super Saiyan. I bet it's like strong, like basically, like a fake, like a ripoff of the Kaioken. Dang it. Okay, I got a better idea. So apparently you need the spirit bomb. Yeah. Anyway, I'm done. Alright, the next one will be the last one. This was doing the Bardock. This was doing the episode of Bardock. I feel like these people are getting lazy. There we go. Why did I am? Come on. Video's almost over. I want to get this over with. Okay, guys, I don't think we'll be able to do like the other one. Dang, you losing to low class warriors. Dang it, he almost one-shot me. There we go. Alright. Anyway. Alright, next. Okay, this is the last one we're gonna play. Now this is easy. Watch this. Guys, watch this. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that, but like, it's freaking easy. Watch this. He can do the freaking death beam. That's why I did it off screen, so like, it was pretty easy. Alright, anyway, so. How about this guy versus this guy? 500. I want him to shoot all of his kid. Watch this. Oh shoot, I accidentally. Okay, so apparently what I've learned is that these guys are in alphabetical order.